Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to cancel Mailchimp subscription. Now, before we dive into the steps, I just want to quickly explain why someone might want to cancel their subscription. Maybe you're trying to manage your budget, or perhaps you're just not using the service as much as you thought you would. Whatever the reason, it's always good to know how to handle your account settings efficiently. I'll guide you through each part of the process slowly, so even if you're new to Mailchimp, you won't get lost. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in managing your subscription and making sure you're only paying for what you actually need. So, grab your computer or laptop, make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account, and let's get started. First, let's open our Mailchimp dashboard. Next, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, select the option labeled Account and Billing. Once the new screen loads, look for the Billing tab in the middle of the page and click on it. This will take you to your billing settings. From here, click on the Change Plan option. Before we adjust the plan, take a moment to review your current subscription details. Here you can see your current plan, the number of contacts you have, and any features included in your account. It's a good idea to double-check these details so you know exactly what you're changing and can avoid any surprises. If your contact tier isn't already set to 0 to 500 contacts, make sure to select this range. This is the lowest plan available. Once you've selected it, you'll see options to downgrade your plan accordingly. Alright, that wraps up our tutorial on canceling your Mailchimp subscription. I hope this guide helped make the process clear and easy to follow. It's always a good idea to review your account settings and billing details regularly. Keeping track of your subscriptions not only helps you avoid unexpected charges, but also ensures you're only paying for what you actually need. Even if you decide to use Mailchimp again in the future, knowing how to manage your plan now makes everything much easier. Taking a few minutes to understand your options can save you both time and money. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with me through this tutorial. I really appreciate you taking the time to learn these steps and manage your account efficiently. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.